Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to create stock keeping unit only ways. Start by defining the scope and goals for your SKU system, keeping it simple and consistent. Choose clear segments for brand, product type, size, and color, and assign fixed digit lengths for each segment. Document rules, train your team, and use barcode support for accuracy. Regularly review SKUs monthly to prevent duplication and keep inventory clean. Design a readable SKU pattern that balances human use with system needs, using consistent separators or fixed widths. Map each position to a single attribute like brand, category, size, or color to simplify lookups and reporting. Reserve blocks for future expansions and avoid confusing letters or symbols. Test the format with real products, confirm barcode compatibility, and update documentation so everyone follows the same creation rules. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more practical tutorials, and it really helps the channel. On another note, the Owala water bottle is a great pick for staying hydrated while managing inventory or shipping. It fits cup holders and keeps drinks cold. Check the description for the link and other deals, then grab a sip. Now let's get back to the video. Roll out SKUs in stages, starting with a pilot group and refining rules based on feedback. Automate validation in inventory and POS systems to block improper codes and reduce manual errors. Train teams on naming conventions, scanning procedures, and where to find documentation. Schedule routine audits to clean duplicates and fix formatting issues, and track changes to maintain a single source of truth for all product identifiers.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.